How to enable subscribers-only chat on Twitch. This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. First, open Twitch and go to profile icon on the right corner and go to your creator dashboard. Next, open the Stream Manager and locate your chat panel. In the chat message box, type the command /subscribers, then press enter. Twitch will immediately enable subscribers-only mode for your channel. Once enabled, only users who are subscribed to your channel will be able to send messages in chat. This feature is useful for managing chat activity, reducing spam, and improving moderation during busy streams. If you want to disable subscribers-only mode later, simply type /subscribers off and press enter. Twitch will instantly turn off subscriber-only chat, allowing everyone to participate again. And that's it. That's how to enable or disable subscribers-only mode on Twitch. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Twitch tips, streaming tutorials, and creator guides.